It's done. I couldn't show y'all that video because there was too much trouble with that one. It decided to give us a problem. But now we about to try the second one here and see what happens because I'm a little nervous. It's about to cut the plate, baby. Oh, where you go, girl? Where you at? She forgot the most important thing. She tried to get third-degree burn. She ain't never tried to go back to work. Oh, look, there we go. I got so much to say about this little corn thing, but stop it! No. She fucking crazy. You gonna be on my channel? Oh, she said, "Fuck this shit." Oh. There we go. And we did it. The best way to cook corn, nice and quick. Who don't like corn on the cob? I mean, who don't? A little bit of butter on it, and that's part 2. Don't judge me. I'm just now starting my channel.
My cake. Can you come get me too?